Welcome to JH. Recently, everyone's inbox has been exploding with payment reminders regarding the Facebook privacy settlement, leaving many wondering if they've finally hit the jackpot or if it's just another creative scam. Honestly, in a world where your refrigerator tries to sell you insurance, the skepticism is well-earned. I'm breaking down exactly what's happening so you can stop stressing. Facebook, now calling itself Meta to sound more futuristic, got slapped with lawsuits for letting third parties and data brokers treat your personal info like a free buffet. Naturally, Meta denied any wrongdoing while simultaneously handing over a cool $725 million to make the problem go away, because nothing says we're innocent like a massive pile of hush money. This fund covers everything from legal fees to your long-awaited payout. If you're wondering why your neighbor got more than you, it's all about the points system. Every month your account was active between 2007 and 2022 earned you 1 point. Apparently, 15 years of your digital life is worth about $30, which is a great reminder of how much big tech truly values your soul. The good news is that the money is actually moving. Reddit is buzzing with people receiving virtual MasterCards and spending their hard-earned settlement cash on life-altering purchases, like a single round of drinks at Starbucks. One user reported receiving $23.87, while another managed to snag $38 after confirming their address. Most of these payouts are landing in the $30 range, and since distribution is happening as we speak, yours might be lurking in your inbox right now. Just don't expect to retire on it unless your retirement plan involves a few extra chicken nuggets. Before you click every link in sight, let's talk safety. These messages are legit as long as they come from official partners like my prepaid center or official settlement emails. A real settlement administrator will never ask for a fee, your password, or your bank details to verify you. If someone asks for an OTP to release your funds, they aren't from the court. They're just a common thief with bad timing. The Facebook privacy settlement is 100% real and court-approved. If you're still twitchy about it, you can email the administrator directly with your claim ID. Keep an eye on your email, grab your $20, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the digital chaos.